Okay, we have 1 minute left.
Okay. Oh, friggin'. Okay. So where's the white light at?
It is second from the left and third from the bottom. No, from the right. Second from the right. I'm sorry. I don't know my left from right. Three up, 2 from the right. We have 30 seconds.
Okay, I'll go left.
That was wrong.
What? We're dead.
I blame myself.
It's fine.
I'm going
got
down.
confused. Okay.
I blew us up.
Oh. That's okay. It happens.
How many batteries?
How many batteries? None?
None. Okay. Press the button immediately and then immediately release it.
Okay. Oh, that's wrong.
That was wrong. There were 0 batteries on the bomb.
Yeah, I don't really see any batteries.
Wait, it says if there's more than one, not. Never mind. It's my fault. I cannot read. You know, they don't teach this in nature school. How about you hold the button? Okay, yellow is flashing. Fuck. How many strikes do we have?
1. But
Okay.
we're also at 1 minute and 30 seconds.
How is there a vowel in the serial number?
A vowel in the serial number. KW0AT9.
Okay. Press. Wait, we have how many strikes?
Just 1, but we're
push
at
green.
1 minute.
Green.
Okay, green. That's wrong. 2 strikes.
Wait, I did the wrong one again. It's my fault.
Okay. It's okay.
Push blue. Push blue.
Push blue. Okay, that's right. Okay, yellow, green is flashing.
Push yellow.
We did.
Oh no. I think maybe I cannot read.
No, it's okay. And I can't get my computer under control. It's okay. Wait, why did I click retry? What is